My friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my craft room and welcome to hashtag Thrifty Thursday. So I've got a little Thrifty Thursday for you today. I am slacking off on my thrifting, but I did pick up a few things, so I want to share them with you. If you would like to participate in Thrifty Thursdays, it is an open collab hosted by me, and everyone's welcome to participate. Just use the hashtag and link my channel in your description box. And if you can, make sure, or if you think about it, if you can let people know that I'm the host and they can, participate by doing what I just mentioned. So all the instructions will be in my description box also for participating, in case you forget or want to come back later and look at that. So what did I pick up? Let's see. Let me divide it up here. These are from Temu, Walmart, and the rest is from Temu, I think. So I got some cute things here. Let me show you this fabric real quick from Walmart. So these are little fat quarters, and this one, they had a couple different Mickey Mouse, Disney type ones, fabrics, but I wanted this one because it's so colorful. The other ones were black and white. So this one has Minnie on it. This is Minnie Mouse. And you can see the color there. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I just was, I think I've been, well, what it is, I got some scrapbook paper, which I don't know if I've shown it to you yet, but I may have. And anyway, this would go with the scrapbook paper I got. So I thought, let me get this scrapbook paper. Eventually I'll figure out what I'm going to do, like if I'm going to make a journal and this is going to be, the cover and all that. So those two will probably end up together. I just don't know exactly how yet. Now these two I showed you already in my a couple of my videos where I said these are going to be my next project. So by the time you see this video, you may have already seen this, and I may have already done a project with it. I don't know. This is going to be. I have a few Thrifty Thursdays scheduled out for the next few Thursdays. So this will be in order as far as, it'll be about a month out probably from when I'm videoing this. But anyway, these are the two little puppy or dog graphic fabrics. So I just love this when I saw it. And I have some dog scrapbook paper. So the same thing, but I know I'm going to use this next because I've made a cat, journal with one of the little golden books, the Four Cats book, Four Cats Little Golden Book. I'm sure most people have seen it and maybe read it. And I had made a dog journal. So I didn't necessarily, I might do a little Pokey Little Puppy at some point. But I did check out the Pokey Little Puppy when I picked this up. I thought, will this go with the Pokey Little Puppy? And I don't think it will. So I think this is going to be a separate little, fabric covered, covered journal. So I'll probably get two out of, make one with this fabric and make one with this. But look how cute. And I love the pink, too, in the background. They're just so adorable. And the little dogs are so artistic looking and everything, like little cartoony dogs. I did decide when I kind of figured out that I like, because sometimes they have something like a fabric or scrapbook paper or whatever it is with more realistic dogs and cats. And I figured out I guess I'm just a kid because I just love the little cartoony dogs and cats better than the realistic ones. But here's another dog fabric. And look at those little dogs. So colorful. I mean, of course, they're not realistic. They're purple and pink and green. so adorable. So I love this one too. So that one's going to be a journal cover. So that was everything I got from Walmart because I don't really need any fabric, but I don't have any dog fabric and I don't have any Mickey Mouse fabric. So yeah, that was a need, right? So let's see, from Temu. Oh, here's a little scrap. I need to put that away. Let me show you. Everything's really cool here. So I'm trying not to shop on Temu, but, I kind of like go on there and compare. Like when I see something I would like to craft with or actually need. I kind of compare between Temu, Amazon, and Walmart. So those three, and I see who has what. And you'd be surprised if you don't compare Amazon and Temu with Walmart. You'd be surprised what Walmart, they don't have everything that Amazon has, but they have a lot. Like I even got a Tim Holtz tiny attacher. If you didn't see that video, I got a Tim Holtz tiny attacher on Walmart.com, $5 cheaper than Amazon. I was pretty shocked. Okay, so this is some stickers. And these are, I think I got these because of the teacups to use, but I think I got them after I did my, ended up getting them after I did my Alice in Wonderland journal, but I'm going to do some more. I have lots of those little golden books, the Alice in Wonderland one, so I'm going to do more eventually, but these were just so pretty and cute. They can be used for all sorts of things. Of course, they're very springy also, like little birds and flowers here, and teacups, teapots. Let's see, yeah, these are all teapots with little birds, so cute and adorable. Flowers, here's just little birds by themselves, cute little birds, so adorable. So yeah, lots of little options. Look at this little bird here, so cute. So yes, these will be very much used one way or the other. They're kind of generic as far as like Alice in Wonderland, spring, Easter, that type of journal I would use these in. And floral, botanical, bird, you know, any of those. So lots of different, you know, journals you could use these in. Eclectic, if you just have like a pink and blue journal, anything like that. So let's see. So these, I have some flowers like this, but I didn't have the yellow, and like they have several different colors, but I picked out the ones that I thought I would use the most. I guess you can see, I guess I don't have to open this really, but you can see what well, I don't like the glare, so let me see if I can open it for you. I don't like the glare from the cellophane here. I hope you don't mind me crinkling a little bit. But see, these are the white with the yellow, and I really like yellow. And so if there's yellow in anything, I mean, yellow it is in so many things, especially little golden books and things like that. So I figured these, you know, it's not a whole lot. I think it's just 1 yard, and so what I like to do is either use these like for a trim on my cover, you know, over by the spine, probably. So a trim over there, or cut them out individually and use them like little appliques. You know, each little flower is very easy to clip apart. So you can use 2 or 3 or just 1 or whatever in a cluster or something. A few pieces of little fabric and a little flower in the middle, and that would be super cute. So I only got that 1 yard because, I mean, that's what it came in, and I figured it would last me for a while because I use them just like I just told you, you know. It's going to take me a little while to use those up, so I didn't want to get, you know, I didn't feel like I needed more than that. So the next thing I got was, this is some ribbon, and I love gingham. Probably most of you that have been on my channel for a while know that. I love gingham, and I have a red and white gingham that's like the 1/2 inch wide ribbon, and this was see how thin it is, and look how much it is. There's, I don't know how, I think it was something like 27 yards or something. Can you see that? There's a lot on there. And so, yeah, I got this. I had a little pin there holding it together, but it's just a red and white gingham ribbon, and it is like a fabric ribbon. So let me take it out. Oh, that is a short pin. Huh, look at that. Anyway, so many uses for this little ribbon. You know, tag toppers, or a decoration down the side of a page. Even on the cover, you know, wherever you need a little red and white gingham trim, that will come in real handy. Look at this little short pin. Did they cut it off, or is it supposed to be like that? It's tiny. Anyway, perfect for holding this little end together here, if you can get it back in there, which I don't think I can do right now, apparently. I thought I was just going to poke it in there, but no. Okay, so next, that was in there. let me show you. I'm kind of excited about these. Let me see. This was Easter. So if you haven't seen these banners, I hauled some, or, you know, got some from Temu for Halloween and Valentine. So I got those. I didn't use the Halloween ones because I got them after Halloween. So they'll be for next year. And I did use one of the Valentine ones on my Valentine journal. That, if you haven't seen those videos, it came out so cute. And those videos are on my channel. But these were Eastery. So they have a couple different Eastery ones. There's like, if you look at these types of banners, there's like retro, Victorian, and then there were some shaped ones, like actual shaped Easter bunnies. I felt like I could use the rectangle ones. I felt like they would be more useful to me than the shaped ones. So I almost got the shaped ones because I was like, oh, that's really cool. It's actually shaped like a bunny. But I like my Valentine journal so much that I thought, I think I'll like these better for me. So, you know, you get what you like. But these, and of course, I got the retro ones for Valentine's, Halloween, and this. Because I kind of, I think I really and truly like that. But I love the Victorian ones. They're beautiful. But this retro look is just right up my alley. So these are so cute. When I looked at them, I figured they were copies of cards, like old vintage or retro Easter cards. And that's what they look like to me. They're at one time. These were probably Easter cards. So this one says, "To a fine boy." This one says, "Happy Easter." Or I guess they could have been postcards, but I think they really probably were Easter cards. That's that little one with the Happy Easter. This one's super cute. Little girl with her Easter bonnet and her little chicks, ducks. This one, Happy Easter, and there's a little 2 there. So they're so pretty, and they have boys and girls on them. This is 2 at Easter time. Now you can tell it was a card, you know. So cute. Happy Easter sun. I love the eyes on this one. That's so cute. Big brown eyes. This one's cute. Little boy with pink. He's decorating Easter eggs. I mean, it doesn't get any cuter than that. This one has a little bunny. He's got little blue eyes. Little girl with her tulips and daffodils, the first spring flowers that pop up around here, besides the Johnny Jump Ups, I think they're called. She's got a really cute Easter bonnet on there. That's the real retro, like, Easter bonnet that you would have seen I don't know if I wore that or my mom would have worn something like that when I was she was a little girl, but that just looks like an Easter bonnet from a long time ago. That one with the Easter basket, little chick and the Easter eggs. I mean, they're so gorgeous. I've already looked through these, but I just love them so much. Look at this little guy, little farm boy with his Easter basket. This guy with his wagon and his Easter eggs. So cute. I love that one. That one just took my breath away. Did you see that? Look at her dress and her bunny. It's like the ultimate combination there. They're all so cute. This one too. Look at her with her Easter bonnet. Little pot of tulips and the chicks. This one. I love her. Look at the little dog. Oh my goodness. I mean, they're all just, it's hard to pick. Like when I pick one out to do a journal with, I have to just like close my eyes and pick one because it's too hard to pick one with looking at them because they're all so cute. Little boy there with his bunny. And this little girl with her flowers and her Easter bonnet. So adorable. Look at the big pink bow. So that's that. These, if you did want to use these for a banner, they come with ribbon and a little needle to thread through there's 2 little pop-out holes here. You can actually make a banner out of these if you wanted to. So, super cute. Okay, I know I took a long time with those, but they're so cute. I wanted to show you. Okay, so this was something new that popped up when I was looking for something else. That's what happens on Temu. You're looking for one thing, and then all this cool stuff pops up, right? So This was a package of, you know, I'm a kind of one of my weaknesses was like envelopes and paper bags. So these were little seed, I guess they're envelopes, seed envelopes. Of course, you see the word seeds. They're craft color, so that got me because I love that. It says seeds, and here's a seed name, seed variety, date collected, growing notes. So, I mean, it's just the perfect little thing to add to a junk journal. Has a little flap here, so you could leave it open or fold it when you put it in a journal. But you could decorate this with a little flower in the corner. I mean, these could just be so cute. I use them for any journal or a garden journal or whatever, spring journal. So lots of uses for those. And so these are, I don't know if I saved the best for last, but I might have. So these are little, let me show you. They remind me of, you know, when you see the YouTubers. So one person that draws little people to put on the front of her journals is Anna from Anna's Chateau. So I've never tried drawing like that. As far as hers are so cute that I don't know if I could ever make mine that cute. But I saw these, and these reminded me of her little drawing. So I thought, and then somebody definitely drew these. So I thought, oh my goodness, those are so cute. And this is also a banner. See, it comes with a ribbon, and there's probably, if there's not a needle in here, it doesn't really matter because I'm not going to use it for that. But anyway, you can see the little, this is the little banner here if you want to make it into a banner. But it's just called, this one's called Happy Party Flags. Anyway, these are little people, and it reminded me, and I thought of her drawings. I thought, oh my goodness, I don't have to draw them. They're already drawn for me. So these look like something she would draw, or you know, looks like somebody drew these. So there's boys and girls in here again, and they're like supposed to be for a birthday party, so they have little party hats on, but I could just see this on a cute little, you know, front of a journal, backed by some pretty scrapbook paper or fabric. So let me just show you real quick. I'll go through these. I think you can see them pretty well. There's a little bit of glare when I put them down. Let me bring you a little closer so you can see those good. Let me move you around a little tiny bit. So let's see, well, good. I don't have to hold them up to the camera. So let me just go through them, flip through them real quick. Here's a little boy. I won't be able to spread them all out. I'll just make a pile of boys and girls here. So, I mean, look at their hair and everything. I might have to actually see if I can draw these, and that could be my start of learning how to draw people better. But I mean, you could draw this pretty easy, or I could trace them. It's just then, you know, then I'd have to color. You know, I mean, you could easily draw these with some Sharpies or something, because look at the hair. I mean, you know, somebody definitely drew that hair. But it's so cute. I mean, I just love the look of them. So anyway, another boy. See, they have different color clothes on. Red shorts, blue shirt, yellow shirt, green shirt. Here's the boys. Oh, and here's a cat. I mean, is that not adorable? A little cat. And I think I could draw that. I think I could draw that cat. And then here's the cats have different color. They're kind of the same color here, but they have different party hats on. That one had a red and white. This one has a blue and white with a green little top on it. Here's another one. They're funny little cats, aren't they? And then there's some dogs in here for my dog journals. And I could use them on the front or inside on a page or something. They would be so cute wherever, you know. So little dogs with two little, this one's facing one way, this one's facing the other way. And there's a little brownish or taupe colored one. Okay, and then the two more girls. One with a green dress, one with a yellow dress. This one had a red dress. You can see them all here. So aren't those cute? So anyway, that is everything I got. You know, just a few things really. But, you know, I'm pretty picky on what I'm bringing in because I'm trying not to bring anything in unless I'm absolutely going to use it right away. So hope you enjoyed those goodies, and I'll see you in my next video. And have a great day.